For those of you that are new to oils, this is a great class to take. It is great for beginners. It's also great for people that have gotten their oils and maybe forgot things you learned in class. So what do you learn in class? When you RSVP, I will get you samples, some drams of oil that you can experience along with going through this handout. So I'll give this to you as well. If you just are unable to, let's say you RSVP last minute, I can just PDF send you this, but this will walk through all the ways you can use oils. So going over how they're safe, effective, how they're affordable, the top oils, the 3 ways to use, so your aromatic, topical, internal, and how you can use these oils and get these oils, how easy it is, and then kind of walking you through how to get oils if you choose to do that. So the cool thing about class is you get that free oil experience, that free education, and then that option to get started. The cool perk about getting started in one of these classes, so usually these are done in person, but these are virtual, so this will be via Zoom, is if you do get started, then you would get a free 15 ml of Citrus Bliss, which is the invigorating blend. So that would be the perk to joining this class. And so along with, I always spoil my members, make sure you're all set with some resources and goodies, a nice custom welcome pack to get you started with your oils. So that way when you get them, you're not like, I don't know what I'm doing. But if you're not quite ready and you just want to get educated, this is also a great opportunity. With that said too, if you have been using oils and you say, hey, I have some people that I'd like to share with or that I think would benefit from them, which everyone can benefit from essential oils, then you can kind of host your own virtual party or a virtual class, and I will be giving a free gift to the host and for you, just thanking you for bringing your people to learn about these great tools, and then I can teach the class for you. All you have to do is sit back and watch. So same rules apply too with them if they do want to get oils. But they will definitely get those samples and get the handouts. That way you have some resources and a starting point, right? So I just wanted to explain what that's all about. The events will be posted on Facebook, but you can always direct message me and then I'll make sure you get that link. If you do not have a Facebook, just let me know and we'll make sure you get that. But I will be posting them on Facebook, and then I will go ahead and post in my stories. That way I keep you up to date on the schedule. So anyways, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.